In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to your Go High Level calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, your Zoom account will be properly linked so that new appointments booked through your Go High Level calendar can automatically generate Zoom meeting links. Let's start inside your Go High Level account. From your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you control most of the back-end configuration for your location, including calendars and integrations, so it's the right place to be for this setup. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the calendars option and click on it. This will open up your calendar settings page where you can manage existing calendars, create new ones, and most importantly for this video, handle your external connections. At the top of the calendars page, you'll see a tab or section called Connections. Click on Connections. Think of this area as the hub where Go High Level talks to other tools you use, like Google Calendar, Zoom, and other services. If this is your first time here, the list may be empty, and that's perfectly fine. Now, on the Connections page, look for a button that says Add New and click on it. This is how you tell Go High Level that you want to connect a new app or service. When you click Add New, you'll see a few different connection options appear, depending on what's available for your account. From the list of options, find the one related to Zoom and click on Connect. This tells Go High Level that you want to authorize Zoom as one of your calendar or meeting providers. When you click Connect, you may be redirected to a login or account selection page. At this point, choose the Zoom account you want to connect. Make sure you select the account that you actually use for your meetings, especially if you manage multiple accounts. If you're already signed in, it may just ask you to confirm. If not, you'll be prompted to log in first. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. This usually involves granting permission so Go High Level can create and manage Zoom meetings on your behalf. Read through the permission screen, then click to allow or authorize. Once you finish these prompts, you'll be redirected back to Go High Level, and you should see Zoom listed under your calendar connections, confirming that the integration is complete.